Hello everyone, this is Frank, reference librarian at the McAllen Public Library. How do robots work? First, let's go over the basic components of a person. There's a body, muscles to move the body. There's a sensory system, the eyes, the nose. There's our tongue with the sensory systems for flavors. And also the sensory system monitors the internal environment, your body. And also a power source to activate the muscles in the sensory system, which consists of food, water, that also helps. And lastly, there is the brain system that tells the rest of the organism what to do. And a robot is essentially made of the same components. But Frank, we have intangible attributes such as intelligence, morality, feelings. How can you say that a robot is just like us? Well, with regards to the intangible attributes, researchers are working in reproducing the same aspects through artificial intelligence, which I spoke about in a brief manner in the basics of AI video. To not get into a very controversial and complicated area of debate among researchers and philosophers, let's jump into what constitutes a robot. Almost all robots have bodies that move one way or another. They can move with wheels or with legs. Although with legs there can be some complications if you try to reproduce bipedal movement. The extremities of robots contain joints, just like our own skeletons. Robots move these joints with an actuator, which can be an electric motor or a hydraulic or pneumatic system. Some robots may use a combination of all these. The power source of a robot can come from a battery or they can be plugged into the wall. Robots that use hydraulics need a water pump, and thus using pneumatics, an air compressor. The actuators are all connected to an electrical circuit. The circuit powers electrical motors that activates electrical bulbs for hydraulic and pneumatic systems. The robot's computer, which is like its brain, controls the electrical circuit, which is akin to a nervous system. Most robots are reprogrammable, which occurs by inserting new code into the robot's memory. Many robots only move after being controlled by a person, but there are autonomous robots, which I think they are the most fascinating ones. There are bump and go robots, which learn by trial and error. After encountering obstacles, the programming tells the robot to back up, to turn to left or right, and then move forward again. The process gets repeated until the robot reaches a goal. Some robots use infrared and ultrasound sensors to see obstacles, which works very similarly to the echolocation in bats. The signal is sent to the environment and the signal gets reflected back to the robot sensor. The robot then uses this information to analyze the environment and move. There are more advanced versions of this that include stereo vision for depth perception, and there's even robots using microphones to detect sound and also smell detectors. If you want to learn more about robots, I suggest you check out The Robots Are Here, Learning to Live with Them. I have added a link to the book in the description of the video and to the blurb on social media. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to your channel, share the video, and don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or feedback. This is Frank, and I wish everyone a wonderful day. Ad lucem.